Hey guys, welcome back to Dohm Speed Shop featuring Sean from Outside Line Projects.
How you guys doing?
Today we're going to swap the doors out, finish up the engine, start taking the booster off, so we can get this converted to non-power assisted brakes and get the dark side header done.
And we're just doing that for simplicity. We could still use it. We're just trying to give this motor everything it can, with it being an emissions motor. We don't want any vacuum being fed to anything but what it needs.
Yeah, so let's get to it. Let me know when you're on your last bolt. Or is that all of them?
All out on the bottom, I have one on the top.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Probably a locating pen.
Got one more.
Out.
Yep.
Same place.
Okay. What's up on that side? A little more fine tuning, but at least this side's door matches the rest of the car. Let's go around and take our other side.
Doesn't sag anymore.
Doesn't sag anymore now. Oh!
Let's see.
Well, after messing around with a little bit of fitment, we got brown doors again.
Looking at the other side.
Yeah.
Obviously it needs to be adjusted. The bottom like sits in. Just needed a little love.
Yeah. Two or three bolts in there, that'll be enough.
Say what?
2 or 3 bolts on the booster wheel. I got the plug spin I disconnected. I got the plug spin on the pedal, that's what I disconnected,
Yeah.
so 2 bolts is the off.
There should be there's 4 bolts on that.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Didn't throw away my tools and that guy told us to.
Yeah. After that.
I knew exactly what it was. You have to sit back for a second.
Yep. Do your deep breathing.
clutch. But they keep fucking with me where I'm like, oh, a long way to go. But then I'm like, no, we don't.
Yep. These are definitely eBay special headers.
Whatever works.
Yep. Alright, well today we got the brown doors back on it. Got the booster off it finally. Not without a little fighting.
Headers are back on.
Driver side headers back on. Tighten up the passenger side. Temporarily got the steering column out till we figure out how we're gonna mount the master cylinder.
We're either going to have to look up and see if anybody's fabricating some sort of power to manual for this generation, which I'm sure they do. Otherwise, I'll fab up a plate and then we'll extend the push rod.
Yeah. So, all next on here from the Dohm Speed Shop featuring Sean from Master Plan Project.